The ovary releases a mature egg, which is captured by the fimbriae and enters the fallopian tube. This is the beginning of the zygote formation process, a crucial step in human reproduction.
As the egg travels through the fallopian tube, it meets sperm in the ampulla. This precise moment sets the stage for fertilization, where one sperm will successfully penetrate the egg. The marine.
When a sperm successfully penetrates the egg, the zygote is formed. The nuclei of the sperm and egg merge, beginning the genetic combination that will develop into a human embryo.
The zygote begins its first divisions, called cleavage. The single cell splits into 2, then 4, then 8 cells, preparing for implantation in the uterus.
After several divisions, the zygote becomes a morula, a solid cluster of cells traveling through the fallopian tube toward the uterus, carrying the potential for life.
In the uterus, the morula transforms into a blastocyst. The inner cell mass will develop into the embryo, while the outer trophoblast layer will form the placenta. Safe.
Enter Piantrium. The blastocyst attaches to the uterine lining. Trophoblast cells begin to invade the endometrium, initiating the implantation process, a critical step for pregnancy.
During early implantation, the trophoblast cells secrete enzymes to embed the blastocyst into the endometrium, securing it for further development.
As implantation progresses, chorionic villi form, establishing the foundations of the placenta. These structures will support nutrient and gas exchange for the growing embryo.
Exam. The zygote is now fully embedded in the uterine lining. Early placenta and blood vessel connections ensure the embryo receives oxygen and nutrients, vital for healthy growth.
At this stage, the embryo is developing within the uterus, supported by the placenta. The diagram Mentally Clear View highlights the intricate connection between mother and developing life.
This complete sequence shows the journey from zygote formation to implantation and early placenta development, illustrating the miraculous and precise process of human reproduction.